Hello. Hello. Am I audible, Sohail?
Yes, sir.
Actually, there was some network issue in college. That's why I left the meeting, unfortunately. Now screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Some discussion was going on. What was that? Someone was saying who is admin, etc. What was happened? Sohail, Abhijit. Hello. Abhijit.
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem? Actually, due to network issue, I left the meeting.
Screen is visible to me.
Huh?
Screen is visible to me, sir.
Whether it is visible for roll number?
Yes, sir.
So this problem we will now start to solve. So what is our regular procedure to solve this problem? What we are doing? So we are just checking which is the type of beam, which are the types of support, and which are the types of support what we have seen? Which are the types of supports are there in this? Which are the types of supports in this problem?
Roller support and hinged support.
Roller support and hinged support. Roller support and hinged support. Very good. So what is our procedure? So what we are doing? Force diagram, or we can say in other words, if you will say a solution for this. Okay, solution. A force diagram, I will say here. Force diagram of given loading is. Okay, so here I can draw a force diagram. So actually it is horizontal while cropping, a little tilting is observing. So it is horizontal. So horizontal line here AB. Okay, so first we will see at the support. At support A, how many reactions will be there? At support A, one reaction. How it will be? Only vertical. At roller there is only one reaction. Okay. Then at roller B there will be one. Let us consider as one reaction. I will say RB.
RB.
It has again two components. One is vertical and let us say one component is horizontal. RBH and RBV. Then regarding loading, 20 kilonewton load at 2 meter, there is no issue in that. So 20 kilonewton at the distance of 2 meter. What about this 30 kilonewton per meter load? For how much length it is there? 30 kilonewton per meter. For how much length it is there?
6.
6. For 6 meter length?
4 meter.
4, sir. 4 meter.
So where you are observing 6, Vrashali or Urshali? 30 kilonewton per meter. For how much length this load is there? Looking to the diagram. So you will see here. From here it is starting. From here it is getting end. So how much is this distance?
4 meters, sir.
4 meter. what
meter.
what will be the intensity of that load then? If I want to convert that load UDL into point load, what will be the intensity? 30 into 4,
120.
120.
120. Where will be the point of application of that load? 120. So here
4 meters from me.
how much? 4 meter means midpoint of this 4 meter, it will be 2 meters somewhere here. So what will be that distance from A? How much it will be? 4 meter from
4
A.
meter.
4
yes, sir.
meter.
From 4 meter from A, 60 kilonewton load. As it is inclined one, we can convert it into, where we can convert one horizontal, one vertical component. What will be the vertical component of that force? 60 cos or sine? Vertical component.
Sine
Sine 45.
sine 45.
Sine 45. Similarly here, direction carefully you have to see. Here also that load 60
Cos 40.
cos 45. Now anything is remained from this. So distance of that load, vertical component. What will be the distance of that load from point A?
5 meter.
So this is 1. How come 5 meter from A? I'm not getting where. So point of application is here.
8, sir.
How you are saying 5 to
7.
how? What is the distance of point of application of 60 kilonewton force from point A? Simple question. What is the distance?
7.
7 meters.
7.
7 meter. So why I am getting answers? I don't know this author. 7 meter is the distance. 4 plus 2 plus 1. And two components we have resolved here. Cos 45, sin 45. Now RB, and now simple we can find. See now. Applying. Now very simple. This problem is converted into our simpler problem. Applying conditions of equilibrium. Conditions of equilibrium. What we can found? So conditions of equilibrium. Suppose I will apply summation apex. Shall I apply summation apex? No any force is there which is horizontal, I will say. No any force is horizontal. So directly that HB will come equal to 0.
0.
Okay.
60 cos 45.
Sorry. One force is there. Still one is there. Sorry. So if I will apply summation apex is equal to 0. So what will happen? One component is there. Which is that?
60 cos 45.
So 60 cos 45, where it is going? Plus axis, plus x-axis,
Plus.
or
Plus.
Positive.
it will be positive then. 60 cos 45. How will be that RBH reaction? Horizontal. It will be minus.
Minus.
Equal to 0, which implies, now directly I will write, which implies RBH. RBH is equal to how much it is? 60 cos 45. Calculate and tell.
42.42.
40.
42.42.
42.
42.42 kilonewton. So this is RBH. Now, which we should apply now? Summation FY. Summation FY is equal to 0. Tell me first. RA. How will be the RA? Plus minus? Plus RA. What about 20 kilonewton? So here one force is remained. 120 kilonewton. Minus 20, minus 120 downward, again minus 60 sin 45. Okay, again plus
RBV.
RBV equal to 0. From this, calculate RA plus RBV. RA plus RBV equal to how much?
182.42.
182.42. 182.
0.42.
Yes, sir.
182.42
42.
kilonewton. So you can say this is equation number 1. Now I know RBH, but here RA and RBV is there. So if now I want to find suppose RA or RBV, what I can do now?
Moment of force.
Third condition.
Summation of moment due to all forces at point where?
At point A.
At point A, what will happen? If at point A, which value I will get? Suppose I will apply at point A equal to 0. Somebody's voice is coming unnecessary. I don't know.
RBV.
RBV.
Let us see now. Who will tell equation at this point? Due to moment due to RA will be 0 because it is passing through point A. What about 20 kilonewton? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
20
20
into
into 2.
2 plus 120 into
4.
4.
4. Then plus 60 sin 45
Into 7.
Into 7.
into 7 minus
Minus
RBV.
RBV. Only RBV or some distance will come?
into
9.
9.
RBV into 9.
Into 9. Is it possible to calculate from this now? Space is not with me. Calculate RBV. Is it possible to calculate RBV?
Yes.
Calculate and tell me what is that value.
90.77.
90.77.
90.77.
90.77. After dividing etc. everything you have did. First this calculation after division of 9 kilonewton.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
RBV. Okay.
Sir, तुझं सेकंड जीबी घेतलं ना तुम्ही त्याच्या 120 into 4 कसं 20 किलोमीटर ना
कुठं सेकंड हे 120 आहे फोर्स 30 into 4 120 आहे 120 30 into 4 हा फोर्स आहे तो 30 दिस फोर्स 30 into 4
Yes, sir.
so have you got answer 90 into 77 90.77 every somebody has got some different answer tell me first
90.77.
correct
Yes.
Yes, sir.
very good shall we go next before that so resultant total resultant at point B if we want to find so you will see RA value we have calculated or not
Yes. No, sir.
No.
no
No,
from
sir.
this we have to calculate RA then from equation number 1
91.65.
from equation
91.65.
RA is equal to
91.65.
91.65 kilonewton.
91.60
5
Five.
kilonewton.
91.65 kilonewton is the correct answer okay now one thing is still remained what was that can anybody tell total RB what will be the formula for RB under root
Under root RBH square plus RBV square.
very good RBH square plus RB
Square.
square H plus V I will say what is calculated now RB
100.19 kilonewton.
100.19 100.19 kilonewton is the correct answer then RB is equal so that we want to find nothing else very simple only your calculation sign convention and resolution finding out distances such problems will be without this such problem your question paper will not complete I will say Minimum 1 to 2 problems will be there, such problems. Have you got RA, RB?
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Something is not understand
No,
something.
sir.
If not, next problem we will go. Shall we go next? Have you
Yes,
noted
sir.
down both answer? RA,
Yes,
RB
sir.
91.65 kilonewton, RB is 100.19. Simple problem. I will give 5 minutes to solve this. Can anybody read? Again, who will read? Saili 35. Will you read this?
Yes, sir.
Only one sentence.
Calculate the reaction of beam loaded as shown in following figure.
Calculate the reaction of the beam as loaded in following figure. Question number first. What is the type of beam? Type of beam. 35 only. Type of beam.
Simply support.
Very good. 100% correct. Simply supported. Support is there at the end. That's why it is called as simply supported. Correct. Types of load in this loading, we will say. What are the types of load?
Point load.
Only point load is given. Along with point load, what is given? One more thing.
Movement.
Not movement. Moment. M-O-M-E-N-T. Movement is given. So movement is given. And one more thing. Support. There is no question of support now. Directly reactions are given. Means two reactions. We will say here. Point A and point B. Like this. So this will become RB. This will become RA. So simple. We want to find RA, RB. To find RA and RB. Okay, very simple. At the end, supports are given and one moment is given. Very simple. So will you find and tell me the answer? Shall I give 5 minutes? So randomly I am going to ask this. So only change in this problem is moment is given. Moment, nothing else. Moment is given. Otherwise, this problem is again simple one. So will you tell the answer? RA and RB, shall I give 5 minutes to solve?
Yes, sir.
Or shall we solve togetherly? Tell me the answer of RA and RB. I will give 5 to 10 minutes. Let us see who will tell value first. So those who have completed, you can tell, sir, just tell me you have completed. I will ask randomly. Very simple problem. Let me check. Such problem will be there in exam. Yes, 15 roll number. Roll number 15. Am I audible? 15.
Sir. Yes, sir.
What is your first equation? Summation of x is equal to 0.
Not over, sir.
Still not over. Gaurav, 18 roll number.
Yes, sir.
Have you got answer of RA and RB? Have you got RA and RB?
Solving, sir.
Solve first. Ohm.
Yes, sir.
Have you got answer?
The 2 minute one.
I will wait for 2 minutes. No issue. Whether anybody has got answer for this?
RA5.
RA? RA is 5 and RB?
55.
Very good. RA is 5 and RB is 55. Very simple. RA is 5 kilonewton and RB is 55, no?
Yes.
Yes.
55. 5 and 55 is the answer. Most simple question. Without this, our paper will not get complete. And such problems will be there in your final exam. Very simple. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to solve this. Question will be asked if suppose in case our multiple choice question will exam will be there. What is the value of RA, reaction at point A for following loading? So this diagram will be given and you were supposed to find either RA or RB. Option number A, B, C, D. If not, if descriptive exam will be there, descriptive. 21 roll number, have you got answer?
Yes, sir.
Have you got both the answers?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So for you, you will tell equation summation of x is equal to 0. 21. What will be the equation? What about RA plus or minus? 21 roll number. Plus or minus. RA will be plus or minus.
F of Y येणार ना sir?
Oh, sorry, f of y. F of y. Correct. Fy. What will be that? RA plus RB. What will be this value? RA plus RB?
60.
60. And then where your kilonewton you can say and 1, equation 1. Summation at where you are going to take summation due to moment at point A.
At point A.
At point A.
A is equal to 0. So RA will not come. What about this 90 plus or minus? It will be plus.
Plus.
Then 60 kilonewton plus or minus moment
Plus
plus 60 into what is the distance of that force?
4.
4. What about RB? Plus or minus? Anticlockwise
Minus.
or
Minus.
Plus RB.
What is distance of that RB force from?
6, sir.
6.
Equal to 0. So from this, you might have got value of RB. What is that?
55.
55. Putting in equation 1. Is it so difficult? Putting in equation 1. What will be the, you will get RA plus 55 equal to 60, which implies RA is equal to how much? 5. Is it so difficult? Is it so difficult, Abhijit? Have you solved? Suraj or something? Have you got?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go next?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We will go next. Next problem. Who will read now for me? Asmita, you read 38.
Calculate reaction of beam at supporter as shown in following figure analytically.
Analytical means by doing calculation. Question number 1. Which is the type of beam? Support is there
Hinged
at
and roller.
types of support. Correct. 3 or more.
Hinged and roller.
Hinged and roller. These are the two types. What is the type of loads given in on the beam?
Point.
Point load. Point load is given. Again, it is very simple problem. Now, suppose I will give name. If I will give name, A is here, B is B to this point. How many reactions will be there at point A?
2.
How many reactions will be there at point A? Huh?
2 reactions.
2 reactions. So here there will be 2 reactions. Here point B, point A. Let us assume, I will assume it as R A H. H for horizontal. Here I will assume R A phi. Here point A. Simple distance, one force of 5 kilonewton. 5 kilonewton. 10 kilonewton. Actually, it should not be again per meter because it is point load. So it should not be there. So 10 kilonewton vertical. What will be the vertical component of this force? 10
Sin 30.
Very good. 10 sin 30. Horizontal component. What will be its horizontal component?
10 cos 30.
10 cos 30.
10 cos 30. So distance is, first distance is 2 meter. Second distance is 3 meter. And total distance is 4 meter. So from this to this, not total. In between it is 3. So likewise, I will give here likewise 2 meter. Okay, 2, 3, 4 distances. Calculate. Try to calculate those who are. So which equation we will apply first?
Summation fx.
Is it possible to apply summation fx?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Apply equation of equilibrium. Equilibrium. So summation fx is equal to 0. Rule number 43. Tell me the equation. What will be the summation fx? RAH plus or minus 43. Plus RAH. Then what about this 10 cos 30 minus or plus? 10 cos 30 plus or minus? Minus 10 cos 30 equal to 0. From this, what is the value of RAH? 10 cos 30.
8.66.
8.66.
8.66 kilonewton. Then your reactions remain the reaction RB.
Sir, RB.
Reaction remained. I have shown here. Next, summation Fy is equal to 0. Calculate. Fy is equal to 0. What about which force will come? Ra vertical plus or minus? Plus.
Plus
Then minus 5. minus 10 sin 30 means I will write 10 sin 30, no issue. 10 sin 30 plus
RB.
RB equal to 0. Calculate. So what will be that? 10 RAV plus RB equal to 10
10.
10.
equal to
10.
10. Equation number 1. Apply summation of moment due to all forces at point any A
A.
Point A.
equal to A. Who will tell now equation? Due to 5 kilonewton, clockwise movement or anti-clockwise movement?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
What is the distance? What is the distance of 5 kilonewton force from point A?
2 meter.
2
Meter.
Again, due to 10 sin 30, how would movement clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
clockwise.
10 sin 30 into what is the distance of that from point A?
5
5 meter.
5
5.
5
Only to RB. Due to RB force, what will be the moment? Plus or minus?
Minus.
minus
RB into what is the distance of that?
9
9.
3 plus
9
9
9.
equal to 0. So what is the RB?
Approximately 4. Approximately 4 kilometers.
Lovely.
Three point 88.
3.88.
3.88.
88, sir.
3.88. Anything is remained? From equation 1. From equation 1. What will be the value of RAV?
6.12.
6.12.
6.12 kilonewton. Therefore, RA is equal to what will be the formula?
Under root.
Under root R A
AH
H or B?
Plus
plus RAH square.
कुठला ते आज झाड पण काढावा ना खट्ट्याला
10.60.
10.60.
10.60.
10.60.
10.60 or 6 kilonewton. Any other answer?
10.60.
Any other or same answer? Same?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very simple problem. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Will you take this? So, are you observing? Shubham, will you read 16 roll number?
Yes, sir.
Ha.
A beam AB is loaded as shown in figure. Calculate the reactions at A and B.
Calculate the reactions at A and B. Very simple problem. So shall I give 5 minutes or shall we solve? Very simple. Same problem. What is the type of support at point A? 63 Sohail. What is the type of support at point A? Sohail. What is the type of support at point A? 35. What is the type of support at point A?
Roller.
And at point B?
Hinged support.
तर A ला
Sorry.
hinged.
hinged आणि B ला support आहे.
I don't know. After lunch break it is happening or what is the reason? 35. What is the type of support at point A? Roll number. What is the type of support at point A?
Hinged support.
hinged support. At point B, what is the type of support?
Roller support.
Roller support. How many reactions will be there at point A?
Two.
Two reactions. Very simple. Very simple. Try to solve this problem and tell the answers. Firstly, calculator, it should be with you. Notebook, it should be with you again. So if I will draw this diagram, here point B, here point A, again vertical reaction RA, V, horizontal reaction RAH, one vertical component of this 80 kilonewton force, again here per meter is given. I don't know why it is given. It is wrong. 80 kilonewton or cos or sine? Sine 30. So again this type of force again here. 80
Cos 30.
cos 30. Then this 40 as it is. So whatever that force, 40. And here one reaction, RB. So now very simple, same problem, nothing is there. Distances are 3, 3, 2. So here it is a 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, and here it is a 2 meter. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 meter span is there for this beam. Which equation you are going to apply first?
Summation fx is equal to
Apex, sir.
Apply condition of equilibrium. Condition of equilibrium. So summation fx is equal to 0, which implies, what it will implies, AH, whether it will be plus or minus, reaction H plus minus 80 cos.
cos 30.
So what is value of 80 cos 30? Therefore RAH equal to
69.28.
69.28 kilonewton. Now what we will apply? Summation of
Fy.
Fy is equal to 0. What will be that?
RAV
RAV, correct. RAV
minus 80 sin 30.
minus 80 sin
30
minus
minus 40
then
plus RB.
plus RB is equal to 0. So now tell me what is the value of RAV plus RB equal to
80.
40 plus 40, 80. Not necessary to take calculator in our hand also. Sorry, 80, no?
80, sir.
Sorry.
80.
80. So it is 80, we will say equation number 1. Now summation of moment due to all forces at point A equal to 0. From this equation, what we will get? If you apply this equation,
RB.
Tell me now this equation.
80 sin 30
80 sin 30
into 3
into 3. Next.
plus 40 into 6.
Plus 40 into
6.
Then
Minus RB into 8.
3 plus 3 plus 2, 8 equal to 0. Those who are giving responses,
RB 45.
45.
45.
35 or 45?
45.
45?
Yes.
45. Very good. From equation 1. From equation 1. From equation 1, what is the value of
35.
35.
30
5.
kilonewton? Therefore, RA is equal to under root RAH square
Square
plus
plus RV.
RA V square. What is this RAH and RAV?
Horizontal and vertical component.
Very good. Horizontal and vertical component. Hmm.
$77.4.
77.61.
77.61.
77.61 is the correct answer. 77.61.
61.
Very few students are giving answers. I don't know why. Suraj 31, roll number 31.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Are you having calculator? आन्सर सांगत नाही म्हणजे कॅल्क्युलेटर नाही तुमच्याकडे. इज इट शॅल आय?
आहे सर.
आहे.
Yes, sir.
So what is the value of RA?
77.61.
77.61. Sridhar,
Yes, sir.
have you got answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 56. 56.
Yeah.
Roll number 56.
Yes, sir.
Have you got answer? RA?
Yes, sir.
How much it is? How much it is? RA. At least you can read from the slide presentation. What is that? Yashraj. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir.
Next problem. Please either take screenshot or write whatever it may be. We will go next. Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, shall I give 2 minutes to solve this simple one?
Yes, sir.
2 minutes only. Again, simple. Yes, Raj, I want answer from you. 56 roll number. Try to solve this problem fast. Shall I give some hint or you will solve for 2 to 3 minutes?
ट्राय करतो सर पहिला.
Okay.
ट्राय करतो पहिला.
Okay. You can try. I am going to ask randomly. Try to solve this problem. RA, RB equal to
149.73.
Which value?
RA
Array is 1.
49.73.
Very good, correct. What is value of RB?
61.66.
Very good. What is your name? Who has given answer? Answer is correct, but who has given? Suraj, who has given answer this? Once again, please give the answer. What is RB? RA 149?
.73.
Avinash is there. For now, काय आहे तुमचं?
Yes, sir.
What is your name? Avinash Salgar.
Yes, sir.
Tell what is value of RA?
RAG 149.73.
RA is this, no? Salgar, tell confidently. No, what is problem? Or you are not sure with your answer? 149.73. Value of
Yes,
RB. RB
61.67.
61.67.
67.
Okay, correct. Have you solved total problem?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Others, roll number 3, where you are at this stage?
Summation of moments.
Okay, calculate. Again, I will take feedback, those who are telling. Roll number 70.
Yes, sir.
Where you are at what stage?
Value of R been completed. RA find out करते.
First. Avinash, tell me value of RAH. What is the value of RAH, which you have calculated?
43.30.
40.
3.30. 30.
30 Newton.
झालं.
Tell.
RA 149.
Correct. 149 point. Am I audible?
Yes.
Hello? What is this value?
05.
Huh?
205.
205.
205. Equation number 1. Summation of moment. Summation of moment at point
A.
what? At point A. So these two forces will not come. 180 into
80 in 1.5.
1.5
plus
plus
50 sin 30
sin 30 into 4
into 4
minus 6 RB
RB into 6.
equal to 0. So RB
61.6.
then from equation 1. From equation RAB. How much it is RAB?
143.33.
33.
Like this, and you can calculate then R is equal to under root RAH square plus
AB square.
AB square. So this will be the values. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very simple problem, same procedure. Shall we go next? Have you got answer? Once again, I will check.
Yes, sir.
Rohan 72. Rohan,
Yes sir.
have you got answer?
चुकलंय सर थोडं.
Where you have committed mistake? Just check. Which value you got wrong?
RB sir.
RB, just check calculation in your calculator. First check equation.
तर ते 1.5 कसं काढू?
1.5. Half of 3 meter. Half of 3. So we have seen what is the type of this load. Who is asking question? Ha load kutla hai wo? What is the type of this load? This load is a
UDL.
UDL, uniform distributed load. म्हणजे 3 meter distance ला हा 60 न्यूटन पर मीटर. पर मीटरला 60 न्यूटन. याचा अर्थ कसं वाचायचा बघा. प्रत्येक मीटरला 60 न्यूटन. मग 3 मीटरला 3 मीटरला किती असणार? 60 गुणिले 3 180. आणि आपण काय करतो, UDL काय घेतो? UDL जेवढी लेंथ मध्ये लोड आहे त्याचा मिड पॉइंट, म्हणजे तो इथं असेल ऍट द मिड पॉइंट. So here it is, and that midpoint means 3 meters a midpoint. Here 1.5, here 1.5. And what will be the intensity? 180.
180.
And याला आपण नाव दिलं तर बघा एक EPL. Anybody is knowing long form of EPL? 180. EPL means what? Equivalent. PL for
Point load.
equivalent point load 180. And it is to be shown at midpoint of that span, particular span. So midpoint of 3 meter is 1.5. Okay, shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
We will go next. Two to three problems are remained only. Then these beam problems are going to be over. So read now this. Can anybody read this problem? Rohan 72, will you read? Or you are solving?
Yes sir. Okay. A simply supported beam of 60 meter span has subjected to loading as shown in following figure. Calculate the reactions at supports.
Calculate the reactions at the support. Simply supported beam is given. Simply supported beam. And what is its span? Span means length. What is its length? How much length is given?
6 meter.
6 meter. 6 meter is the length is given. Okay. And we want to find its again reactions. So what is change you are observing looking to the diagram? What change you are observing? Any change? Any change?
Support is inclined.
Support is inclined. Very good. Support is inclined. Again, so what is that inclination angle is this 60 degree is the inclination angle. Okay, so that is the change. So if we are going to draw, so here again simple problem. Let us convert this problem into our force diagram. Force diagram of given loading. Force diagram of given loading. Force diagram of given loading. So here point A. From point A, I will draw one line. Here there is a one line. Again here there is a one line. Here point A. How many reactions will be there?
Reaction.
Two reactions. Two reactions are A, P. And here which will be reaction RA H, RAV, RAH. So let us go one by one now. One by one. 60 kilonewton. So what will be its vertical components? Downward or upward? Give attention. Vertical 60. Cos or sine? Downward. Cos or sine?
Sine
Sine.
60.
Sine 60. Sine 60. What about horizontal component?
60 cos 60.
60 cos 60.
60 into cos 60. Cos 60. Then 80 kilonewton. Again it is inclined one. Vertical component. Vertical component 80.
Sine 75.
75.
Sine 75. Horizontal component towards left or towards right?
Left.
Left. Towards left. What will be that? 80
Cos
Cos
75.
cos 75. Next 50 kilonewton. Vertical component.
50
50
sine
sine
60.
50 sin 60.
50 sine
Sin 60.
sine 60. Horizontal component towards left or towards right?
Right.
Right side.
Towards right. What will be that?
50 cos 60.
50 cos 60.
50 cos 60.
50 cos 60. Okay. RB now. RB is inclined one. So that reaction now in figure I am showing that reaction will be something like this. It will go something like this. So what will be the angle made by reaction? This RB with horizontal. RB. Huh?
60.
So 60 degree angle is this. So here I have shown this 60 degree is given. So what will be the angle made by RB reaction with the horizontal, or I will say this angle. If I will show like this, what is the 90?
30 degree.
See here once more. Again I will tell. So this plane is this something like this. This plane is something like this. This is the plane, inclined plane. Angle made by plane is this 60 degree. 60. So here that reaction will be perpendicular to that, correct? So this perpendicular reaction, it is going something like this. I will say RB. We want to find angle made by this RB reaction with horizontal. So what will be that angle? If this angle is 60 degree, what is this angle? What is
30
this?
degree.
30.
What is this angle?
30.
30 degree, because this is 90 degree. So if I will show here, now in case of vertical component, with this force RB force, angle made is 30 with horizontal. Then what will be its horizontal component? RB cos 30 or sin 30?
Cos
Cos 30. Towards left or towards right?
Left.
Towards left or towards right?
Left.
Towards left. RB into cos
30.
cos 30. Space is a little not available. So RB reaction, this is x component. What about its y component? Here it is a y component. So that what will be that? RB
Sin 30.
RB sin 30. So first what I will do. So let me, for our information, let it be that figure for our information how I have calculated. RB sine 30. Like this now. Forces are known to us. First distance is 1 meter. Here it is a 1 meter. Second is 2 meter. At the end we will add. Then 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter. And last one is how much?
0.5.
So how much distance will come between 50 kilonewton force and point B? What will be that distance?
0.5.
0.5, sir.
0.5 it will come because total span is given. So last distance will be 0.5 because totally 6 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2.5, whatever it will come. Then applying. Now problem is converted into simple problem. Applying conditions of equilibrium. Conditions of equilibrium. Which condition we will apply first? Summation.
Fx.
Fx is equals to 0.
Summation Fx is equal to 0. So RAH. What about this? 60 cos 60 plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus 60 cos 60. Next force is 80 cos 70 going towards left hand side. Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus cos 75.
75.
50 cos 60 going towards right hand side.
Plus.
Plus 50
Cos 60.
cos 60. Any forces remain, still it is one force is there. RB cos 30 going towards left hand side. Plus or minus?
Minus.
Again minus. So RB
Cos
cos
30.
cos 30. So how many unknowns are there in this?
2.
2 are there. Which are they? So what I will
RH and RB.
RAH minus this RB cos 30
Cos 30.
equal to, tell me this remaining value you can put other side and tell me what will be that value. 60 cos 60 plus 80 cos 25 minus 60 cos 60. What is that value?
34.29.
80 cos 75 minus 50 cos 60 minus 60 cos 60 minus 60 cos 60. What is that value? What is the value of this? Room 38. What is the value?
Minus 15.70.
Minus.
15.70.
Once again, just calculate.
34.29.
Minus 34.29.
Minus.
34.29.
Minus.
34.29.
Minus 30.
Minus 34.29.
Minus 34.29 is the correct answer. Next. Now see, if at all we are going to apply now summation Fy is equal to 0. Again, two unknowns will come. Which will be that? Two unknowns. RAV and RB. So it's better to apply moment equation. It's better to apply moment equation. Okay. So if I will apply moment equation, so at point A, now summation of moment due to all forces at point A is equal to 0. Okay. So what will be that equation? Who will tell now? Carefully. So AH, AV, RAH, it will not come. All horizontal force will not come now. Only vertical forces will come. So 60 sin 60, whether it will come create positive or negative?
Positive.
60 sin 60. What is the distance of that force from point A?
1
1 meter.
1 meter.
Then 80 sin 75. Plus or minus?
Positive.
Positive. 80 sin 75. What is that distance from point A?
3 meters.
3 meter. 3 meter.
3 meter. Again, 50 sin 60. Positive.
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 50 sin
60.
50 sin 60. Distance.
5.5.
5 meter.
How much?
5.5.
5.5.
5.5. Any forces remained?
Yes.
Which is that?
RB.
RB. How it will create?
Anti-clockwise.
So it will be minus RB into what will be the distance?
Sin 30.
RB sin 30.
Sin 30.
Into 6.
RB sin 30.
Into 6.
Sin 30 into 6 equal to 0. From this equation, calculate RB. From this equation, calculate RB. First, 60 sin 60 plus 80 sin 75 into 3 plus 50 sin 60 into 5.5 divided by 3. RB
79.38.
any other?
173.97.
How much?
173.97.
Why answers are coming different? Correct. Whoever is telling is correct.
173.98.
173.98
98.
kilometer. RB is known to us now. So RAV. So anyhow we have to apply what? Now we should go for summation FY. We have to go for summation FY to find RAV. Correct. Now we have to apply summation of FY. Have you got this value RB?
Yes, sir.
Have you got less responses? 35 roll number.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you got same?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now we have to apply summation FY. Which value we will get now by applying summation FY?
RAV.
RAV. So can anybody tell this equation now? Here space is less. I will not write here only. RAV, which will be positive. Then which 60 sin 60, how that force will be?
Negative.
Negative 60 sin 60. Next which force? 80 sin 75.
Negative.
Negative 80 sin 75. Then 50 sin 60. Negative.
Negative.
50 sin 60, no?
Yes.
Then RB value is known to us, sin 30. RB is how much? 173. Again that will be positive or negative?
Positive.
Very good. Positive. What is that value? 173
0.98.
into
Sin 30.
sin 30 equal to 0. From this you will get value of RAV. Carefully calculate this value now.
$85.55.
Huh? Hmm?
$85.55.
85.54.
85.54. I have not calculated. I am writing your value. Any other same answer or different? Same?
Yes.
So RB we got. RB already we got. What about this RA? calculate now RA. You know the formula for RA, under root. So space is not with me. Under root RAV square plus RAH square. Calculate and tell me the final value. What is value of RA? I'm waiting for answer. Shubham, what is answer?
Yes, sir. Calculate.
Calculate. 85.54 square
144.43.
plus 30. How much?
144.43.
Yes, sir. 144.43.
144.43
43.
kilonewton is the
Yes.
answer. So here there is another answer. Here there is one more answer. So are you confident to solve problems on beam? Okay, so what was the change in this problem? So this was a little new thing. This was the little new thing. What is that? A reaction which was given, it was making angle with horizontal. That roller. So we have calculated angle made by reaction with the horizontal. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go
Yes,
next?
sir.
Shall we go
Yes,
next?
sir.
Let us see this problem. Second last problem from beam. Second last problem for beam from university exam. Second last problem from university exam. Okay, so if you are able to solve this problem, remaining problem, one problem I will give for homework. Beam problems we will complete them. So who will read for me? Roll number 1, will you read loudly?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
An overhanging beam is loaded as shown in figure. Find support reaction shown in following figure.
So first question, what is the type of beam? For you only, roll number 1. What is the type of beam?
Simply support beam.
How come simply supported? Statement वाचा बर काय लिहिले statement मध्ये. And
Overhanging beam, sir. Sorry.
then what is the type of beam? Overhanging, as simple as this. 62
Yes,
roll
sir.
number. Now you tell me, Avinash, why it is called overhanging beam? आता परत मी एकदा हा same question I have asked in last lecture. So why it is called overhanging beam?
त्याच्यावर ठेवलेलं आहे.
कशावर? सगळेच बीम कशावर ठेवलेले असतात. ओव्हरहँगिंग मराठीमध्ये सांग बरं. लोंब काढतोय बीम. What does it mean? Example of gallery, example of staircase, जिना, where we are taking turn. Overhanging. If I will give name here, overhanging at point A point and B point. Here point B. तर A point वर beam end होतोय का? If you consider B point, beam is going to end at B point. What about A? A च्या ठिकाणी beam संपतोय का?
गॅलरी.
Gallery or we can say staircase. A च्या ठिकाणी संपतोय का beam? Still it is there. Still this beam is there after support A. That's why it is called as overhanging beam. So type of beam is overhanging. Types of supports in this beam. University मध्ये विचारलेला क्वेश्चन आहे हा. For 10 marks. Give attention at most. What are the types of supports at point A and B respectively?
Hinged and roller.
Hinged and roller. Very good. Hinged and roller supports. My next question. what is the type of, or what different types of loads are there on this beam? What are the different types of load?
UVL and point load.
UDL, UVL,
Point load.
point load. Along with point load, one extra thing is there.
Movement.
Movement.
Even one movement is also applied. Very simple. Though it was asked in university exam, it is very simple. So for this, what we will do for this force diagram, almost all things are there in this problem. That's why it was asked. I will say all things are there in this force diagram of given loading is so I will draw first force diagram. So if I will draw in this way, so here there is a point B. Okay, so at point B, how many reactions will be there at point B? I will say RB. So whether RB will be there or RBH, RBV, etc.
One reaction.
Only one reaction, because it is which type of support?
Roller.
Roller support. How many reactions will be there? Sorry, here it is not reaction. Sorry. Where is that reaction? It is somewhat here, I will say A point. So here there will be reaction at point A. R, A, what I have to say?
V.
V. So I will consider RAH reaction, something like this here, A point, RAH in horizontal towards right. I am going to assume. I don't know where it will come. After calculation, I will come to know that I have assumed that RAH reaction towards right. But after calculation, if it will come negative, then I will say it is going towards left hand side. So let us convert this 20 kilonewton load into point load, this particular load, 20 kilonewton load. What will be the intensity of this load? Total intensity in point load, and where that will be?
40.
40 kilonewton.
And where will be the point of application of that load?
1 meter.
1 meter. So 40 kilonewton, and it will be at 1 meter here, 1 meter. Then 50 kilonewton load, there is no question, there should not be any confusion. So simply 1.5, and here that load will be, how much it is? 50 kilonewton, no confusion. It is as simple as it is point load. Then moment is given as it is. Again, there should not be, while calculating moment equation, are you going to take positive or plus or minus for this 40 kilonewton? Plus, because it is clockwise. Because it is clockwise. Now most important thing, how to convert this load into
Area.
how to calculate, what will be the intensity of load of this
50.
uniform distributed load? So what is the height, I will say? Meanwhile, what is the height?
40.
Highest point is 40.
40.
40. Actually, it should be kilonewton per meter. Here it should be kilonewton per meter. I think while cropping, it has gone. So intensity of this triangular load, what will be that? 1.5. How it will be? 1.5 into what is its base? 2.5 into 40 into 40. So what this value is coming?
50.
50.
Yes, sir.
Where will be the point of application of this? Either from this or from this.
2 by
0.83 from B.
0.83 means you have divided by you have multiplied by 1 by 3 1.3, sorry, 1 upon 3 or 2 upon 3?
1 upon 3 from B.
From B, how much it is?
0.83.
It is 50, no? 50 kilonewton. From back, how much it is?
0.83.
0.83. Have you understood how it is coming? From this side, either you can take 2 by 3,
1.67.
2 by 3 from this side, or from this side you can take 1 by 3 of that length into L, I will say. And what is the value of L in this case? 2.5. Are you getting? So this is force diagram. Any problem? Any problem? Any problem?
No.
No?
No, sir.
Okay. So shall we go applying equations of equilibrium? Applying equations of equilibrium. So which equation we will apply? Is there any force horizontal?
No.
No.
Yes. RAH.
But RH, if I will apply, what will happen? It will come directly 0.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No any other force is there horizontal. So if at all I will apply summation fx is equal to 0, which implies RAH equal to 0. No any other force. Next equation, summation
Fy is equal
equal to 0. What about 40 kilonewton?
Minus.
Minus 40. What about RAV? Plus. Then minus 50. 2
Plus
times 50.
50.
How come plus 50?
Minus.
minus
Again minus 50 plus RB. Plus RB equal to 0. So what equation will become? Just calculate RAV.
140.
140.
140. Then summation of moment due to all forces. Where we should take, so that at least one we will take at point A.
Yes, sir.
At point A. So due to 40 kilonewton force, how moment will generate about point A? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
So it will be positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Positive.
At point A, is it positive due to 40 kilonewton force?
Minus.
Now, A point कुठं आहे आणि हा 40
Anti-clockwise.
kilonewton force. Whether it will be clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. So it will be minus 40 into what is the distance of that load from point A?
1 meter.
1 meter.
1. Then 50 kilonewton force. Whether it will be clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
And what will be that distance? 1.5.
1.5.
This 40 kilonewton meter load, how to take? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Directly I will consider 40. Then this 50 kilonewton force, now this distance you have to calculate very carefully. So whether 50 into
5.67.
so from which distance? 3, 4.
A.
Calculate the distance carefully. Total distance is how much? 3, 4, 6.5 minus 0.83. Calculate. What is the distance of R? No, 50. Distance of 50 kilonewton force. Whatever.
5.67.
1.67.
How much?
5.67.
5.67. Correct. RB. What is the distance of RB? So it will be minus RB into
6.5.
6.5. Total span equal to 0, which implies RB is equal to. Which implies RB is equal to how much? From this calculate RB.
Hmm. 55.15.
Any other? 55 is the correct answer. Point
15.
15 point, sorry, 55 point,
15.
correct? Very good, correct. RB. Next, from equation 1. From equation 1, calculate. What is that? RAV plus RB we have calculated 55.15 equal to 140, which implies therefore R.
84.
Correct. Tell me 84.88.
85.
84.85, sir.
85.
85.
Okay.
Yes,
84.85 is also exact answer. So here RAV is equal to RA. Why? Because RAH is, so if you 0, if you will apply this formula again, you will get same answer because one term is 0. What is that? RAH square plus RAV square. One term is 0. So it will come again 84.85. You don't need the same. Okay. Have you understood? Same. Very simple. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any problem? Very few students are giving response. Aditya 69 roll number, 67 roll number.
Yes, sir.
67. Vyavarik 67. Rushikesh or Rushi 67. Rushikesh or Rushi, what is this? Vaibhav 71.
Yes, sir.
Have you got answer? Have you got, or are you listening only like our television, ABP Maza, TV9 Marathi, something like this? But काय ऐकताय का सोडवताय?
Answer.
Have you got?
Yes, sir.
It is not like no our ABP Maza, माहिती ना बातम्याचा चॅनल, बातम्या बघतो आपण पुढे बसून.
No, sir, no.
It is not like no. Notebook should be there. Next month I am going to check everybody's notebook.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Probable.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Last problem from BIM. After this problem, if you are able to solve, we will stop. If you are unable to solve, I will solve. Last problem of BIM. Shall we go for last problem?
Yes, sir.
Next problem and last problem from BIM. So looking to the problem, who will read for me? Who will help me to read? Ganesh, 47 roll number, Lamkane Ganesh. Ganesh, will you read this problem? Ganesh, out of coverage. Sagar, 64 Sagar, who is Sagar?
Yes, sir.
Read the problem loudly.
Find the reaction offered by the supports if the beam is loaded and the supported as shown in the figure.
As in the following figure. So looking to the figure, see the figure and tell me what will be the type of beam which is shown in the figure. Diagram बघा आणि सांगा बरं बघू type of beam कुठला असेल. For that you have to check supports. Where are the supports?
Overhanging.
Overhangings.
Overhanging. Why it is overhanging?
Gallery.
Overhanging चा गॅलरीचा आणि स्टेअरकेसचा काय संबंध? Looking to the support. Technical answer. Why it is overhanging? Roll number 38.
Support at
बघा बरं व्यवस्थित. Support of the end आहे का नाही?
one end, sir. One end.
मला अजून ओव्हरहँगिंगचा कन्सेप्ट कळलेला नाही. ओव्हरहँगिंग म्हणजे काय? सपोर्ट नंतर सुद्धा बीम असतो. सपोर्टच्या ठिकाणी बीम संपत नाही. आफ्टर सपोर्ट ऑल्सो बीम इज देअर. असं आहे का या बीम मध्ये? म्हणजे ए आणि बी च्या ठिकाणी बीम संपत नाही, तर अजून पण बीम आहे. कुणीकडल्या साईडला आहे? ए च्या का बी च्या? ए साइड. साइड ए. आफ्टर ए ऑल्सो स्टील बीम इज देअर. म्हणजे सपोर्टच्या ठिकाणी बीम संपलेला नाही. आफ्टर सपोर्ट ऑल्सो बीम इज प्रेझेंट. कुठल्या साईडला आहे मग? ए च्या का बी च्या? ए साइड. What is the force applied on overhanging part? Which force is applied on overhanging part?
5 kilonewton.
5 kilonewton is the correct answer. That's why it is a type of overhanging beam. Next question. Which are the supports in this beam? Which are the
And roller.
hinged and roller is the correct answer. So now I will not ask how many reactions had be there at B and how many will be there at A. Next question. Which are the types of loads you are observing in this loading, or which types of loads are there?
Point load and UDL.
Point load and UDL. Along with this, one more extra thing is there, which is that
Moment.
what is the value of that moment?
10
Kilonewton meter.
10 kilonewton. So this will be the last problem from our beam problems. So if you are able to solve, let us convert this into force diagram and you tell me the force diagram of given loading is so what will be that? So what I will do, I will draw a horizontal line up to here. Again here there will be point A will be here, point A. Okay, so here I will say something R A H. Here there will be R A phi. So here load is there. How much it is? 5 kilonewton. Here there is a point A. So what will be the intensity of UDL load? If I want to convert into point load, EPL, equivalent point load, what will be that? EPL for 5 kilonewton per meter.
15 kilonewton.
15 kilonewton. How?
5 into 3.
5 into 3. And what will be that distance?
पर मीटरला 5 आहे त्यामुळे 3 मीटरला 100 येणार.
Correct. And what will be the application of that 15 kilonewton?
1.5.
Here 1.5 meter. Then next one is moment as it is. There is no question in case of moment. 10 kilonewton meter. There is no question.
Anti-clockwise.
Sorry. Correct. It is not anti-clockwise. It is clockwise only.
Yes, sir.
Clockwise. Here there is a point. See here there is a point. So around this point it is rotating. So clockwise only, no anti-clockwise. Next one, 30 kilonewton force at. If I want to convert that 30, what will be its vertical component of 30 kilonewton force?
30 sin
30 sin 45.
30
Sin 45.
Sin 45.
sin 45. Its horizontal component towards right or towards left? Towards right or towards left?
Left.
Left, sir.
Towards left. Cos
Left.
30 cos 45.
45. Then this 20 kilonewton, there is no much challenge for this. How much? 20 directly. 20 kilonewton. Next, RB reaction. Is it vertical or inclined? RB reaction.
Inclined.
Inclined. So what will be the angle made by RB reaction with horizontal?
60 degree.
60 degree.
60. If you are unable to understand in this corner, this is the plane something like this, which makes angle of 30, which is given. So RB reaction will be perpendicular to this, something like this. Here there will be perpendicular angle RB. So if I will extend like this, so what will be the angle made by this RB reaction with horizontal? So this angle is 30.
60 degree.
60 sir, 60
degree.
So this will be
60 degree.
60 degree. So what will be its vertical component?
RB sin.
RB cos or
Sin
sin?
60. Sin 60.
Sine 60.
Sin 60.
60.
Horizontal component, let's assume towards left. So what will be that? RB
Cos 60.
RB
cos 60. Cos 60.
RB cos 60. So distances, some distances I have shown 1.5. So that distance 30 kilonewton. What will be the distance of 30 kilonewton? This from point A. 30
Five.
kilonewton.
5.
5. Again, what will be the distance of 20 kilonewton from this 6 meter? So here it is 6 meter. And RB total distance between A and B is 7.
7.
There is no question now. So is there any problem to solve further now? Or shall we fastly solve this again? Applying, or you want as a homework, applying conditions of equilibrium. Conditions of equilibrium. So which condition we will apply?
Summation fx is equal to 0.
Summation fx is equal to 0. Who will tell? Who will tell? Summation fx is equal to 0. Left hand side पासून आपण चालू करू. RAH
minus 30 cos 45.
minus 30 cos 45. Next.
Minus RB cos 60.
RB cos
60.
RB cos 60 equal to 0. From this, which value you will get? RAH minus RB cos 60. What is the value of 30 cos 45? 30 cos 45.
12.21.
Equation number 1. Equation number 1. Next, summation of moment. Summation of moment at point A equal to 0. If we will apply, who will tell equation first? So AH and AB will not come. Horizontal forces will not come. Correct? 5 kilonewton force.
Minus 5.
Correct. Minus 5 into
1.
into 1. Next, 15 kilonewton force, which is vertically downward. Plus or minus? Plus 15 into
1.5.
1.5.
1.5. Next, 10 kilonewton meter
Plus 10.
Plus 10.
plus 10. Then 30 sin 45 plus or minus?
Plus
30 sin 45
Into
Into 5.
into
5.
into 5. Next force 20 kilonewton
plus 20.
Plus 20 into 6.
Into 6.
plus 20 into 6. Very lengthy equation. Next, RB sin 60.
Minus RB sin 60 into 7.
Sin 60 into
7.
7 equal to 0. Calculate from this RB. Therefore, from this equation, calculate RB. Only RB is the unknown. Who will tell me?
1.83. 41.83.
Any other 41.83? Any other 41 point? Who is telling answer? Then now so that I will know who is giving responses. Who sang the answer? 41 point? Sanga 82. काय नाव आहे? नाव सांगायला काय? At least you can tell roll number.
Avinash.
Salgar. Avinash Salgar or what?
Yes, sir.
Avinash Salgar, you are attending offline classes, no? You were that only Avinash, no other Avinash.
Yes, yes, sir.
Same. Okay. RB is correct. 41.82 kilonewton. So from this, is it possible to calculate RAH?
Yes, sir.
Calculate then RAH from equation 1.
42.12.
From equation 1. RAH.
42.12.
1 minute. RAH. How much it is?
42.12.
42.12 kilo Newton. Now I want to find RAV.
24.98.
काय केलं 20? Is it correct? RAH?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
summation Fy is equal to 0. Summation Fy is equal to 0. Why? Because we want to find RAV. Correct? So who will tell equation? What about this 5 kilonewton force, plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. Then RAV plus RAV.
Plus
Minus 15.
minus 15.
RAV.
Minus 15.
Minus 15.
Minus
Next.
30 sin 45.
Minus 30.
Minus 30.
Sin 45.
Sin 45.
Minus
Minus
20.
20.
Minus 20.
RB sin
RB
60.
sin 60.
Plus
RB we have calculated. Okay, equal to 0. From this RAV. RAV.
24.98.
How much?
24.98.
24.98. 24.98. So again, I will do something like this here. Therefore, RA is equal to
48.97. 48.97.
48.97. In your other, बघा बरं जरा.
48.97.
48.97. Very good. 48.97 kilonewton. So this will be the answer. It's too late. Sorry for late. From long time lecture is going on. So related to this, this is something like this. Shall we stop? Many students are leaving the lecture. Have you understood? Please take screenshot. We will stop for today. Last part of second chapter is remained. Friction. That we will start next lecture. Shall we stop?
Yes, sir.
We will stop. We will stop. Thank you very much. Take the screenshot and give your attendance also.